years ago, after living in New York, Atlanta, and Chicago, Columbus natives Beth and Lenny Bedoin found their way back home. The Bedoins weren't even actively looking for a new home to live in when they saw this one listed, but the U-shaped layout immediately drew them into making this their new home. Beth and Lenny have two sons, Leo and Charlie, who both attend the University of Georgia, and two dogs, George and Golden Doodle Reggie. Wanting to make the home their own and fit their needs, the Bedoins did a complete renovation on the original home, with Lenny serving as their architect and Beth the interior designer. The original home was built back in 1980, and the home needed a complete gut renovation, so they enlisted the help of contractor Jamie Herndon. They started by enclosing the garage, making it the perfect space to add Lenny's office, a guest suite, and a sitting room. Then they built a new garage, moved interior walls around, and reconfigured the interior space to better suit the family's needs. Beth set the interior design direction. With both spouses having a shared vision for the house, it was a ton of fun and hard work together. An extensive amount of landscape work was needed, and Chris Harmon with Wildwood Gardens successfully fulfilled the Bedoins' needs. The challenges they faced included filling in a pool that had been in the front yard, reshaping the driveway, and adding a serious retaining wall. The finished product of the spacious home leaves a West Coast feeling with 4,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 4.5 bathrooms.